thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I come back with another hair video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to style this simple and quick closured wig by Reshine Hair. Now I got this hair in 150 density. It's a 20-inch in length. It comes with a leaflet inside the package, a wig cap, and this texture is a water wave. So it's a closure wig, and this is how the constructions look like inside of the wig. It comes with combs, so 4 combs that you can use to secure the wig.
It got me
So first of all, it's gonna be very easy. I'm gonna pop the hair and leave out some baby hairs. Then I'm gonna use a tweezer to just tweeze a tiny little amount within the closure. You don't need to do this step, but I just wanted to do that because I wanted to flick the front of this wig. See, that's the only amount that I basically tweeze out of it. So I'm just gonna use a hot comb to just style the hair and press it on so that I can get that pretty flick that I want. Now I'm just gonna part the hair. Obviously, I think the only way you can have it is a center part. Actually, no, you can also do a side part with this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a center part.
completely out of luck.
Then I'm gonna use my styling wax stick, aloe vera styling wax stick, to just tame the flyaways.
To take the lead. Oh, baby, how could I know there was no.
So I'm gonna use the hot comb again to just press on to the hair and make that parting flat.
I find myself hoping that you'll
There comes baby Sohna.
back to me. 'Cause I've been
Okay, now to get that part even flatter, I'm just gonna go ahead and section it in between, apply the styling wax stick, and press it on with some flat iron. And I'm gonna do the same step again, and this way the parting, the middle parting, is just gonna keep very flat.
into a big black hole.
I'm also going to be spraying a little bit of got2b spray onto the hair to just make sure the style keeps the same. So now, using a paddle brush or any brush that you have, I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle the curls. So I'm just brushing through it. Now for the installation, it's very easy. The first step is I'm gonna apply some foundation onto the lace, and this is just to tint the lace closure. And then I'm gonna use a pair of scissors to just cut the lace. You don't need to be perfect with this one. It's not a frontal, just cut it through. And then with the elastic band at the back, I'm just gonna crisscross that just like this. And this way it sits perfectly fine. So I'm gonna put the wig on, and then I'm gonna take out some baby hairs.
Now I'm left with an empty heart.
Then I'm gonna obviously cut it short, just that when I wave it aside, it's not looking too obvious and too long. So that's my baby hairs done. Now for today, to activate my curls, I'm using this coconut curling milk. Now you guys, I absolutely love this. It is so amazing. I'll link everything down below of where you can get it. This is so far the best product I've used for my hair. Now what I do is apply some of these curling milk onto the hair, and then I use a comb to just comb through, and voila, that's basically it. So apply some of that curling milk, and then use a brush or a comb to detangle the curls, and that's it. That's basically it. It looks amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps all over the wig. Apply the curling milk, detangle, and voila.
You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold.
Now I'm gonna use some hair mousse to just apply onto the top of the wig. I'm also gonna apply this to the front as well. And this is a holding mousse, so it's just gonna keep the hair quite nice and neat. And look at that, that's looking really nice. This thing right here is the bomb, okay? So we've done the other side. It's looking very, very curly.
Stuck in reverse.
It's time to get the makeup done. Okay, we back, sis. All right, okay. Now look at this hair. It's looking so nice. It is really, really light on the head. It's not super big or full. So this is how the sides look like. It's not a full frontal, so you will obviously get that wiggish look. Obviously, I'm not going to show that out. And this is how the back looks like. It's looking really nice. The curls are really nicely activated. The hair feels so soft. So now to change and switch up the style just a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and do a little nice style. So I'm parting the hair in front.
It got me stone cold.
I'm just gonna go ahead and clip that to keep it away from my face, and then I'm gonna do a ponytail, but I'm just making sure that I'm fixing the sides just so the wig isn't looking too wiggish.
It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me.
So I'm just putting it into a really nice ponytail, like a low ponytail. And look how cute this look was. So nice. So I know it's a lace closure and you feel like you haven't got that much options, but you do actually have a lot of options. There's so many different styles that you can do, and this is just one of them.
No waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all.
A selfie, of course. Now the next style I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do a side parting. So I'm just parting the hair, and you can see that the lace is looking like a scalp, which is really nice because of the wig cap that I'm wearing as well.
I've been stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use the styling wax stick again, because obviously we are changing the parting, so we need to kind of tame the hair. So I'm using the hot comb to just press onto the hair, and this way it could actually stay flat.
It got me stone cold.
Then I'm gonna use some water and just spray it onto the hair to just keep it wet, and also this way it's gonna be easier for me to style the hair, because as I brushed it, the curls kind of like deactivated, so I'm trying to activate the curls back. So sprayed some water. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that milk, the curling milk. So I'm applying that all over to the hair.
Got me stone cold.
And voila, this is what you get with a side part. So that's quite nice as well. So you can get a center, a side, and you can also do a ponytail. I think you should be able to have like a top bun as well, like a little tiny top notch kind of thing.
Seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second?
And that was it. So thank you so much, Reshine Hair, for sponsoring this video. And you guys check the link down below to visit their website. They've got all types of hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.